Hello everyone, my name is Connor and this is another video for 1 Minute English. Today I want to show you some English exercises, some grammar exercises for beginners, but also for intermediate level as well. These are 3 websites that you can practice your English for free and do exercises after you learn the grammar. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you can click the links in the description for these 3 websites. The first one is myenglishpages.com. Okay, so here we have the grammar lessons. Okay, so you just click here on grammar and they have lots and lots of lessons here and explanations. Okay, so you just choose English tenses, modal verbs, clauses, lots of different topics. Okay, and so first you click on pronouns. For example, they have an explanation here. Okay, then maybe the types of pronouns, subject pronouns, and more explanation, and then usually there is an exercise here so that you can practice. Okay, you can check the answers below. The second website is called Perfect English Grammar. Okay, you can find many different topics here too. Let's look at verb tenses. Okay, and you can choose your verb tense, present continuous. So we have explanations here and try some exercises here. Okay, here you have lots and lots of exercises you can practice your English. Okay, and the third one here is British Council. So let's look. They have basic grammar, they have intermediate grammar, and they have some exercises here as well. So have a look here, and they have grammar tests, grammar explanation. Okay, and everything here is free. If you have any questions or you need help with grammar, please leave a message in the comments. Thank you very much.